Hello class first. Welcome to online classes of HPS. This is your English class. So, be ready with your English book, English reader. Open your book, page number 40. I have explained to you chapter number 4, right? Which is about a boy, the thief who stole eggs from the nest, fallen down in crocodile pulled his leg down underwater and took him to the king, and king said he was a thief. He stole birds' eggs, and as a punishment he said to the crocodile to give him 20 lashes on his back with steel. Then Manu woke up, and what he found, that it was only a dream. Now come to bookwork. Exercise first. Complete each sentence with words in the story. Manu walked across. इस स्टोरी में से ये हाफ सेंटेंसेस दे रखे हैं, हाफ आपको कंप्लीट करना है. Manu walked across the fields to the river. Write it down. The fields to the river. Second, Manu climbed up the tree. किस पर चढ़ा था वो? ट्री पर. Climbed up the tree. Third, in the nest there were, nest में क्या थे? There were 2 brown eggs. There were 2 brown eggs. Manu slipped and fell into the river. मनु स्लिप हुआ और रिवर के अंदर गिर गया. Fell into the river. FELL. Fell into INTO the river. RIVER. There were a big crocodile. क्रोकोडाइल कहाँ पे था? इन द रिवर. इन द रिवर. RIVER. The crocodile pulled Manu down under water. Down under water. The king called Manu a thief. क्या कहकर बुलाया था उसे? thief. 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 The crocodile lifted its tail. उठाई उसने टेल. क्यों? To strike. STRIKE. To strike. at MANU''S Manu's back. BACK back. Okay, done. Now second exercise, put the sentence in right order according to the story. स्टोरी के अकॉर्डिंग इन लाइन्स को अरेंज करना है राइट ऑर्डर में. जैसे पहले क्या हुआ था, फिर क्या हुआ था. तो फर्स्ट इज देयर वॉज अ मैंगो ट्री ऑन द बैंक ऑफ अ रिवर. सबसे पहले क्या था स्टोरी में कि एक मैंगो ट्री था रिवर के किनारे. Then second, this. Manu climbed up the tree. This is number 2. Manu climbed up the tree. वो ट्री पर चढ़ा था मैंगो ट्री को देख के. Then third, फर्स्ट नंबर के ऊपर ही stole 2 eggs from a bird's nest. उसने ऊपर चढ़ा और बर्ड्स के नेस्ट में से 2 eggs चुरा लिए. थर्ड नंबर. फोर्थ, he started climbing down. फिर नीचे आने लगा. फिफ्थ, he fell down into the river. वो गिर गया रिवर में. सिक्स्थ, a crocodile pulled Manu down to a king's palace. उसने उसको खींच लिया और किंग पैलेस तक ले गया. सेवेंथ, द किंग ने उसको थीफ कहा. किंग कॉल्ड मनु अ थीफ. एट्थ, लास्ट लाइन, he asked the crocodile to give 20 lashes on Manu's back. Eighth. Ninth is already given. Manu cried in fear and woke up. वो घबरा गया और जग गया. Now 10th, it was only a dream. केवल एक सपना था. So arrange this 10, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9, 3, 1, 6, 8. Done. Now come to word power first exercise. Find words in the lesson that have the V or W sound. इसमें V और W का साउंड आता है. वो वर्ड्स इसी लेसन में से आपको फाइंड आउट करके लिखने हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वोक, WOKE, वोक. V से रिवर, RIVER, रिवर. Now write 2 more. WORD, word. WORD, word. above, ABOVE. इसमें B आ रहा है, इसमें W आ रहा है. ABOVE, above. WORD, word. ABOVE, above. Now find words in the lesson that have the OU sound word. As SHOUTED, shouted. OU, ow. SHOUTED, shouted. OU sound words find out करके लिखते हैं लेसन में से. 2 more. MOUTH, mouth. OU, MOUTH, mouth. SOUND, sound. SOUND, sound. MOUTH, mouth. Now find words in the lesson that have double letters. As, across, double S. ACROSS, across. Slip, SLIPPED, slip. 2 more. EGGS, as, eggs. EGGS, eggs, double G. PULLED, pulled. PULLED, pulled. Completed. Now what you have to do this questions first, second and third in your notebook. आपको इसको कॉपी में करना है. 4, 3, 4. ओके. and please send it to us and complete these 2 pages. Goodbye for now. Have a nice day. Be safe.